Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redline collection. This is an actual mail call. So I got these two cars in the mail today and I thought I would like to share them with you guys. Another one of my favorites, continued favorites, but the actual Hot Heap, American made, US built car. Nice wheels, champagne interior, clear glass instead of blue. You can see the motor set forward, so it's definitely a US built car. The high spring in the back. That thing is absolutely beautiful. I think I paid just a little over $100 for it, but to me it was worth it. And here's another one that I just got. These were both from the same seller. But this one is an Aqua. Look at that, guys. That paint is beautiful on this thing. 2 pins, really shiny base. Absolutely gorgeous. Motor set forward, so that shows that this is a American made, supercharged, and nice addition to my collection. And thank you guys for watching. Hope everybody has a great day. Bye.